Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Neela and welcome to the English Google Classroom page. I am here to explain you, or this video is here to explain you how to start on Google Classroom. So supposedly, if you're in Google Classroom, you don't need to watch this video, I guess. But you're always welcome to check it out. So first things first, I'm going to start with opening my web browser. This is my desktop, and I'm going to use a web browser to go to Google. So for me, I'm going to use Google Chrome, but you can use Safari, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, any way that gets you to the internet. So I double click on it, and I am asked what Chrome account I will use. I'm going to explain you what to do. So what I'm going to do is something that you will have to do as well. So before you start Google Classroom, the best thing to do is add your Google Chrome account of KS to your Google Chrome. So first things first, let's add a new account, Google account. So set up your new Chrome profile. So every student has received a login and a password to enter into Google Classroom and other Google apps. So first of all, let's start with our Chrome profile, sign in. The first thing that we want to do is we're going to create an account. This account was already made by our school, so the only thing you have to do is fill that in. So this is in Lao, which is probably useful for a lot of you, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to translate it into English so that most students can follow. But in Lao, it's still the same. So what you want to do is you want to fill in your first name first. So I think for Namtip, that's Namtip. For Fawn, that is Fawn. For Pink, it's Pink. And I'm going to start with logging in with Lanoy. She's in year 9 now, but I'm going to use her name to explain how it works. So Lanoy, and then we're going to add an ad. Then we're going to write students dot KTSAC international international.com. So this is the login that you're going to use for your Google Chrome. So this is different for every student. This will be your first name, but all the rest is the same for everyone. So you all have to copy this last part, and then you will get into your Google Chrome. So this is hopefully clear. If not, message me. And then we can click on next. The next thing that Google will ask you is to fill in your password. To start with Google Chrome, the password is the same. Your password, let me show it to you, is KS LP 2022. So that's your password. So if you want to change that password later on, please do. But this is the starting password for every student, but you can change it later on. And let's click on next. And this will bring you to your personal Google account. So this is similar to other Google accounts you have. It says welcome to your profile, and also turn on sync. And for now, I'm just gonna click no thanks because it's not important for this video. And then I enter this Google account, and this is Lanoy's Google account. So we've entered our Google Classroom. Lanoy is now signed in, so her Google Classroom, her Google account is logged in. You can see that by the first letter of her name, and it says welcome Lanoy. So that far we should be okay. So you've all logged in. This is your new personal account. Where do you find Google Classroom? So I'll click on that so that it erases. Where can we find our Google Classroom? Can you see these 9 dots here? This is for the Google Apps. When we click on this, you will find multiple Google Apps that you can use, but we're interested in Google Classroom. So Google Classroom is something you can open. I'll try and do that. So this is for a year 9-10 student. So this is for Illinois. So yours might look a little different. But this is what you should be able to enter into. So we have ICT, English, Science, Mathematics, Business, and Geo. So these are the ones that we're interested in. I'm going to show you a little bit about my year 9-10 English classroom because I am the English teacher for KS. So when you want to go into your classroom, you can just click on the classroom and then you will find what is posted in the classroom or what is going on. So this is the year 9-10 Google Classroom and something has been posted in here. So Teacher Anila has posted some more materials and Teacher Anila has posted something. So what you can do as a student is normally you're able to add a comment. So for instance, hi teacher, my name is Lanoy, because I am now working with Lanoy's account. And you can enter it and then you're commenting on something that I've posted. So what will happen on the stream is everything that happens, so a class that you're having, some information that the teacher wants to send to you, that will all be in the stream. This is the most recent thing. So this is time-based, chronological. The classwork is more divided into different parts. So I haven't added a lot of things in here, but basically here you can find the PowerPoints, the worksheets, some exercises, some extra things, some technical support, for instance, a video on how to download Zoom for a computer, how to download Zoom for a mobile device, and soon also how to download Google Classroom. That's the most important part of Google Classroom for now. So I'm going to end this video for now, but there will probably be another video on something else that I can explain you. Thank you.